pretty. He's so pretty, Mama. Yeah. He's a good girl. Love her. I do. She's a girl. She's a pretty girl, Mama. Somebody has decided that she likes to be cuddled and loved. This is Shelby. She was born the last week of May, June, July, August. She's almost 3 months old, so she's not quite 12 weeks old yet. She's very much a baby. She's an Indian ringneck, and she's a female. I had her DNA tested, and she is a female. And I couldn't be happier. There's my girl. And here's her long tail out here. See? Whee! There it is. Isn't she pretty? She's the same color as Bill, my parrot. She's the same color. They're very pretty. She's out of focus. You're a little bit out of focus. What a good girl. She's just in the last 2 or 3 days has begun to come to me on my finger, and just as long as I pet her like this, she'll just stay and stay and stay. At first she would fly off for parts unknown. I had to clip her wings myself, so I learned how to clip wings on this little baby. And that's my girl. Look at that face. I love her. Mama has to give a kiss. Mama has to give a kiss. Okay, come back here so you'll be a little bit in better focus. There you go. There you go. So right now I'm just being spoiled, because I love my mama to rub me and be with my mama. I want to be with my mama. She's beautiful. She's so pretty. She's a little bitty girl. She'll be about the size of my Quakers, except that her tail will be longer. Hey, Shelby. Hey, Shelby. What you doing? What you doing? That's my girl. I love her. Yeah. Come down here. Isn't she cute? Indian ringneck. Indian ringneck. Hey, where are you, Mom? I'm right here. You're kind of fuzzy. Yeah, you look kind of fuzzy. That's Lydia making that kissy noise. Kissy, kissy. Lydia hears me kissing her. She likes to be kissed. Yes. That's my good. Look at you. That's the longest you've ever let me play with you. Yeah. See, I can even do this. She was just nowhere near this. She would not let me do anything like this, even 2 days ago. So if you have an Indian ringneck baby and you are getting discouraged, stay with it. I give her all kinds of treats. She gets really good seed mixture, and she gets a whole wheat bread with lots of seeds in it. And let's move over here, baby. Carry this over this way. Tired of looking at my chins. There we go. And one of her favorite treats is whole wheat bread with lots of seeds in it, and with a thin layer of peanut butter, and then you lay that you sort of lay it down flat in the seed, let it pick up a bunch of seed, and put a strip of that in her cage, and she is exceedingly happy. Aren't you? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Where you going? What you doing? Ouch. You don't need to preen me. No, I don't need it. Okay, well, we're going to turn this off. See, there's us, and it's we're on the computer screen. Yep. There we go. And look at the camera now. Finally found it. She likes stuff like that. She's very curious. She's a very curious person. Aren't you? Hey, who are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Indian ringneck. Female. Shelby. Bye. Say night night.